If you're looking to find better qualified leads, today this video is going to help you do that very thing. I'm going to give you 6 tools that's going to help every salesperson find more qualified leads. We all know that as a real estate agent, it's all about connecting and building relationships with your clients. But let's be real. Finding the right clients and knowing who you're actually dealing with can be very tough. But the good news is there are some very powerful tools that make this process a whole lot easier. These tools will help you find clients, they'll help you verify information, they'll verify the lead, and it's going to help you build stronger connections. All right, let's get into the first tool. It's one I just learned about last week, but I was absolutely impressed by it, and it was called Forewarn. So I'm sitting in lunch with a couple of our agents, and an agent to my left said, hey, this guy just bought 7 properties in my market, and I got to figure out how to get in touch with him. And the agent sitting to my right said, what's his name? And he goes on his phone and quickly puts in the person's name, pulls up 3 phone numbers for this individual. So this thing works very quickly. Now the downside is it doesn't give you the email, but it gives you a lot more. So it'll give you potential red flags like criminal history, financial risk, identity mismatches. It also shows financial indicators like bankruptcy records, liens, or even judgments. So this means you can quickly tell if someone is not only safe to meet with, but also financially capable of buying, renting, or investing with you. Forewarn is basically your peace of mind app. Now it starts at about $20 a month. All right, so the next tool is called Rocket Reach. Several of our agents use it and they absolutely love it. Now it is an add-on to LinkedIn, but it's an amazing tool. It'll give you direct access to decision makers. And the best part, the contact information is verified. You will get emails, phone numbers, and of course it'll pull your LinkedIn profile. So you can get direct access to CEOs, property managers, and company owners. It's actually the people who make decisions is who you're going to be able to get in touch with. Now the plans start at about $80 a month for essentials and goes up to $300 a month. All right, so the next one is a big daddy of all of them, and it's called LexisNexis. A lot of major firms use this one, and for a good reason. It's great. It's a heavy-duty background research tool. With it, you can dig into public records, ownership history, liens, bankruptcy judgments, pretty much you name it. Now for property research, it aggregates data from tax records and legal filings. It's especially useful for uncovering true ownership when properties are hidden behind LLCs. So that's great to have. If you're prospecting off-market deals or want to verify whether a potential client is financially sound, LexisNexis is your go-to. Now pricing starts around $153 per month for a 1-year commitment to a basic specific plan to upwards of $750 per month for a premium unlimited plan. All right, the next one is Spokeo. This one's been around for a while. Now, if you're new to the industry, this is very user-friendly and it's a good place to start. So this app pulls together publicly available data to help you track down clients or property owners who are tough to get hold of. You can use it to find emails, addresses, phone numbers. Where it stands out though is it also aggregates the social media and demographic information, including actual profiles. Now this is pretty reasonable too. It runs about $25 to $30 per month. All right, next we have another LinkedIn add-on, and our agents just absolutely love this. It's called Signal Hire. Now this platform gives you direct contact information for decision makers. It'll give it for business owners and even potential investors. You can connect directly with company executives. You can get hold of their CFOs, or more importantly, their real estate directors that we're always trying to get hold of. You can also connect with relocation managers, HR reps, or high net worth buyers. Now, it's not just for finding clients, because brokers use it to recruit new agents or assistants, since it pulls verified information from LinkedIn and other sources. All right, last but not least, we have a very interesting app, and it's called Crystal. Now, this isn't one about finding leads, but it's about connecting better with those leads. It's a personality AI tool that analyzes LinkedIn profiles, it analyzes emails, and other text to predict how a potential client prefers to communicate with you. It uses the DISC personality model, D-I-S-C. It's dominance, influence, steadiness, and compliance. I wanted Crystal on this list because I think it's very important for you guys, because I think it'd help you a lot, because Crystal will advise you if a client prefers quick, big picture conversations or a detailed breakdown. It'll help you adjust your tone in emails, your presentations, as well as your negotiations, and it'll help you match your client's personality. This makes your communication feel natural and personalized, which is huge in real estate. So there's not a standard per month subscription fee. Instead, it's sold as a one-time license with a full product starting around $495 per user per year. So there you have it, folks. 6 powerful tools that can give you an edge as a real estate agent. So whether you're verifying leads, researching ownership, finding decision makers, or just communicating more effectively, these tools can save you time, protect your safety, and help you build stronger client relationships. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let me know in the comments which of these apps are you most excited to try.